What's up, everybody? Today we have our first look at Seattle Fire's brand new Energy One truck. Seen here responding with the Energy Response Team, formerly known as the Vault Response Team. It appears as though Energy One is replacing Power 25, an older and smaller unit here, seen in a clip from earlier this year. A few things that stand out: Energy One is much larger. I'm not sure if it carries I assume it carries additional tools, maybe more CO2, but look how big it is just compared to the engine behind it. I haven't been able to find a lot of detail about the truck. As I said, it's brand new. It was just delivered within the past week or two, and this is the first run that I've seen it on. I believe the Vault team is now branded as the Energy team. They are expanding their focus to lithium-ion fires, especially with electric vehicles becoming more common. Once I get more information about this truck, I will certainly share it with you, and I'm really hoping to catch this one in person before too long. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this look at Seattle Fire's brand new Energy One truck. As always, thanks for watching.